In this session, I wanted to talk about how we can draw a coil cord. First of all, we need a sketch which indicates the coil path. So I go to a sketch and I assume we have a path such as this. After drawing the path, we need another sketch from the start or end of the sketch. In this example, the start of this sketch is on top plane, so I should choose the top plane, select line, and draw just a straight line. The length of this line must be as equal as the radius of the coil. This example, I consider it as 3. Now, I go to Surfaces tab and choose Swept Surface command. The first sketch must be the straight line, and the second sketch is the path. What we see here is just a straight surface. But under of Surface Sweep command, there is another button as options, and if you click on this arrow, you see more options here. I change profile twist to specify twist value and change twist control to revolutions. Now you see, if I increase this revolution, during the path, our sketch turns. And if you increase this as 50, for example, you see the regular turns is same as coil. The maximum number could be 100. Now we have a surface body. I go to 3D sketch environment, choose just the external path and click on convert. Now we can hide this body and we have just path. After that, I go to swept, choose circular, and choose the diameter of the coil. Consider it as 2. See, the coil is drawn. And we can change material as plastic, for example. If you change the number of revolutions in surface sweep, you see the difference between number of coils immediately.